Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. And if you like this item, all you gotta do is add it to your cart. Check out really fast. And they'll ship this really fast with the fast and free shipping. So definitely take advantage of that. And see what other goodies they have to offer. Besides this item, we shall see what it is. Here we go. Alright. We got something solar. Empty goes there. Solar LED garden lights. Powered by the sun. All weather resistant. Easy to install. Auto on and off. Okay, so this should be easy. It's actually getting dark out, I think. Yeah, so these might be working pretty good tonight. Hopefully they're charged, because tomorrow's supposed to be really sunny out. So, but I'm hoping that these are ready to go. I'm not sure where this is coming from, but it will be corrected in the title and in the description. Okay. Yeah, these are easy to install. We got the spikes right here. One. I think it goes like this. I had a similar kind of video I did for them. Oh, maybe not. Wrong one. Alright. Get them all out. Go. Here we go. Solar LED. Close that a little bit better. Like I said, I'm hoping that these are good to go. Here they go. This way. I think it's this way down. Yeah, it's this way. There we go. Looks like that. Got the 4 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there. And you take this out of the package. Or the bubble wrap. Ooh, bubble wrap. And not too many popping. That should be the one touch. Remove this. These are pretty good. See, when it flashes, that means it needs juice. It needs a juice. It needs a sun, vitamin C. See, you put it in like so. Kind of looks like a rocket ship. You hear the pop. That means it's in good. Like that. Boom. Boom. Yeah, we're going to do them all since, like I said, it is getting nighttime now. So hopefully these will work on the video that I can show you. If not, I'm going to have to wait till tomorrow to do the second part. But it'll be on this video, so it'll be all in one video. Alright. I think that goes there. Sure that's lined up like that. Kind of looks like a spaceship. There you go. Oh, there we go. And then now, take this one out. There we go. Just blacken the LED or solar panels. I think that means it's activated. I'll double make sure, read the instructions for a second. Make sure that that's what it means. I'm pretty sure that if it's blinking like that, it means it's low on juice. It has no vitamin C in it. So we take this again. Oh man. Shoot. Redo. Rewind. Dang. Alright, there we go. That happens sometimes, see? Easy to pull out in case you make a mistake like I did. And you slide it in again. There we go. There we go. And then take number 3. Number 3. Almost there, guys. And see, kind of. Oh yeah, really cool. She's locked a little bit. Let's see if this one. There we go. You can see the glow. You can feel the glow. Yeah, it gotta be really dark. So, but I'm gonna put at least one outside. So I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put the rest of these. These are really cool to have. There we go. Here's 1, 2, 3. Oh, fourth. The fourth horseman. The final 4 right here. But definitely check them out, guys. Like I said, really cool to have. There we go. For backyard parties and stuff like that. See your driveway better, by your door, walkway. Wherever you want to put it. That is up to you. See how easy. Line it up. And then give it good. Sure it's in there good. I'm going to grab my coat because it is still kind of chilly outside. So, and just remember to remove this so it won't block these solar panels. There we go. Alright, here the pop. It's in there nice and tight. Now I'm going to shut the light off for a sec. Put you guys right there. Here's I'll keep you guys rolling. Here we go. We got them all. 2, 3. Oh yeah. That one's running away, but kind of looks like the Iron Man thing that he wears on his chest. Pretty cool though. Like I said, we're gonna take this outside and then film for maybe like a minute or so. Like I said, it's still kind of chilly. I don't know why that halo is around it, but I think because of the lens. Maybe. Oh, that's the way it is. Pretty cool. There you go. Shiny. There. Alright, I'll be outside in a few.